Hello what, this is Abhinav Tonk and welcome to R.E.D for Fitness. And from this video, I'm going to start the lockdown series. So basically, I'm going to cover all the aspects of lockdown workout. So I'm going to explain you the various scientific strategies by which you can design your lockdown or home workout. And I'm also going to show you some of the items that you can, utilize while doing your home workout. If you have dumbbells and if you have barbells and plates at home, then well and good. But I'll take the worst case scenario and I will consider that you don't have the access to dumbbells or barbells. And I'm going to design each and every workout using the item that's available at your home. I'm also going to cover on the diet strategy, that what diet you need to follow in order to lose weight and what diet you need to follow in order to gain weight. I'll also start the meditation series where I'll explain you what actually meditation is and how effectively you can do the meditation at home in order to ward off usual mental problems like stress, anxiety and depression. And if you are really interested in learning about how to design your diet and how to keep yourself mentally fit, then please stay tuned. I'm going to come up with some really exciting videos in future. Till then, take care. See you soon in the next video.